Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Zweig Breadth Thrust Indicator. So let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. The Zweig Breadth Thrust Indicator. So here we go. Now as you can see, this indicator can help us to identify the prevailing momentum in the market as well as potential overbought and oversold levels. All right, even though the nature of these seemingly overbought and oversold levels might not be the main focus of the indicator, right? Because as you can see, when we have the indicator line above this upper threshold, you will notice that the indicator would the price of the currency pair would have already started dropping, right? So it seemed as if the indicator gives a little bit late signals with respect to the oversold and overbought. Okay, but whenever the indicator line is coming down from the upper threshold, you should already know that it's a bearish momentum, right? Just like what we can see here, it's a bearish momentum. And then when it drops to the lower threshold, it's a time to consider exiting your sell positions and preparing for a buy position, so long as you get your confirmation, obviously. All right, so we can see now in this other scenario. Okay, let's use this. Okay, here the market was consolidating, so I guess we're just going to use this, right? So we can see that when price, okay, let's use this. So when price crossed above the lower threshold, we can see price went up a bit, but this was not good enough. Price still consolidated a bit at that point. Okay, this is a phase of consolidation. I want to look for a clear trend, just like what we had here. All right, so we can see here that when we had the crossover above the lower threshold, the price had already started going up. So this is what I'm talking about, with respect to the seemingly late signal from the oversold and overbought, right? But the focus should be in the prevailing momentum. Okay, I think that is going to be better for the focus, right? So when you notice that the indicator line has crossed above the lower threshold and is still trending upward, you can just be looking for buy opportunities, provided that you are in a bullish trend. Okay, that is also very important. Provided that you are in a bullish trend, you can start looking for buy opportunities because that's a bullish momentum. And then when you are in a bearish trend, when the market is in a bearish trend and you notice that the indicator line has dropped below the lower threshold, you can look for sell opportunities, but make sure that you always get confirmations. All right, make sure you always get confirmations, perhaps candlestick confirmations or confirmations from other indicators, as the case may be. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.